Hello, in front of me I've got Vivo X90 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to use reverse wireless charging. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter battery. Scroll all the way down and now enable reverse wireless charging. Now you can lock the screen and now put the second phone on the top of your smartphone. Let me just turn off the notifications. And as you can see, the second phone is charging. If you find this video helpful, please hit like, comment and subscribe.